Let go. Let go. If he gets in trouble, he gets in trouble.
Yeah.
No, he's crazy. He's not stupid. Huh? And trot. Outside range. Outside range of trot. 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 Because you said so. Trot. No, not left rein. Right rein. Outside rein controls the speed. Outside rein. Go where you want to go. Posting trot. And on the circle. On the circle. Yes. Yes. Don't overbend the neck to the inside. The entire body should be bent correctly around the size of the circle that you adopt. And straight. Straight neck. Straight neck. Good. More victims.